Hi, I'm Teia Golden, and on this channel we talk about all things McCall. And today we're going to talk about the top 5 reasons that people love living in King Pine Estates, 1 through 4. So there are a few lots that are available still for sale in King Pine Estates 3 and 4. So I thought I'd like to talk about the reasons why people love those lots in particular. They're located in Adams County, but still go to the McCall Donnelly School District. And so what that gives you is the schools that are top rated with lower taxes, lower property taxes. So that's one of the reasons why people love living in King Pine Estates 3 and 4. The next reason why people love living in King Pine Estates, so King Pine Estates 1 and 2 does not allow for short-term rentals, but King Pine Estates 3 and 4 does allow for short-term rentals. So you have the ability to, do either depending on which one you prefer. If you'd rather own in a neighborhood that doesn't allow, then you should buy in 1 and 2. And if you do want to rent out your place short-term, then you should buy in Kings Pine 3 or 4. The third thing about Kings Pine Estates is that it is on a community well. And so you don't have to pay a large amount to drill your own well. Depending on where you are in the neighborhood, there's some lots that are really high up on the hill, and you're just a part of the community well, which is a $3,000 connection fee. The fourth thing about King Pine Estates is that the HOA is in charge of the road maintenance and maintaining the roads in the winter. So all of the lots are accessible during the winter time, which is very convenient. That's another reason you might like King Pine Estates. So you might already know where King Pine Estates is located, but 1 through 4 is located on the back side of Little Ski Hill and across from Brundage. That makes some of the lots ski in, ski out from Little Ski Hill, which if you have kids that are coming home from school and catching the bus to the Little Ski Hill, they can just ski down to the house whenever they're done. So that could be super convenient about Kings Pine Estates if you're interested in building a house there. There are lots that are still available in Kings Pine 3 and 4, and they start at $229,000 as of right now. That's what the lowest one's listed for. So thanks for sticking around and finding out why people love living in King Pine Estates 1 through 4. If you have any questions about the neighborhood, just leave it in the comments below. And if this gave you more information about McCall, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.